Everyone, welcome to BK's Creations once again. And today's activity is going to be based on how to create your own waterfall. And of course, let the students see for themselves how the waterfall works. Now, for your materials, it's going to be something very simple. You're going to need foam plates. You're going to need scissors, the stapler, Sharpies. Today I'm going to use the red and black. I don't have blue, but if you guys have blue, that would be even better. And a pitcher of water. Oh, and one more thing. Clear container. Now, what you're going to do is going to cut the foam plate in half. Once you cut those foam plates in half, just like I have here, you are going to staple them together, just like I staple these. After stapling the foam plates together, you are going to mark them with a Sharpie. And like I mentioned before, if you have blue, even better. So you can make like watermarks. And then you're going to go ahead and put this on the container like this. And the first thing that you're going to ask the students is, if I pour the water on the waterfall, do you think the water is going, it will be going up or will it go down? That's one of your questions. Another question could be, what keeps the water down if it goes down? Now, you're going to get the pitcher of water. You are going to pour the water in here. And the children, of course, are going to get to see how a waterfall works. And if you stay very, very quiet, the children will also get the opportunity to hear the water. Well, today's activity, like I said, is something very simple. But believe me, when I did it with my kids, they enjoyed it so much because it's very, very realistic. And of course, you want to let the children know that they're going to use their imagination. And thank you guys. Please stay tuned because I have many more things coming up soon. Thank you. Bye.